Today we're going to show you how to change the battery on an alarm panel. The panel that I'm doing a demonstration on is a Scantronic 9853, and the scenario for me is I've actually got the engineer's code for this panel, so I've got it in engineer's mode, so I'm not going to set the alarm off. But for yourself, when you remove this front lid, you're going to set your alarms off with the internal bells. Simply enter your user code and that will silence the bells from ringing. If we remove the 3 screws on the front of the panel, depending on the panel, it depends on how many screws and how you actually get the lid off. But with this one, we can see on the front of the panel you've got red and black, which indicates your 12 volts. And what we're going to do is swap light for light battery to the same terminals, making sure red goes to red and black goes to black. Resecure the lid back onto the panel. If you really wanted to, what you could do is you could put a sticker on the battery before you put it in, just to show when it was actually installed, so in a few months time, if you have any problems, you can remember when it was that you actually installed it. Just bear in mind these batteries still do hold a charge, so try and get some kind of protection over these so nothing touches them, because they can cause a bit of a spark. And once you put the lid back on, in most cases you should be able to just put your customer code in your alarm panel, and that should reset, or press the reset button on your panel. That should bring your daylight back on or clear the tamper fault. In very rare cases you might find you might need your engineer's code to reset it, depending on who's programmed it. In this case you will have to contact your installer to ask them what the engineer's code is, or ask them to come and reset it. If there's any questions, please give us a ring back. Just bear in mind, it's probably advisable that you don't do this if your system is under warranty or if you have a current maintenance contract, as this will avoid probably any warranty or contract that you have with any said companies. If you've got any questions, send me a message and I'll see what I can do to help you out. Thank you.